Looking for a top-notch action cam to capture your adventures and memories? This cam redefines the way you record and share your world. Equipped with dual ultra-wide-angle fisheye lenses, it records breathtaking 5.7K 30 frames per second panoramic videos, ensuring every adventure is preserved in detail. For high-speed action, it offers seamless 60 frames per second recording for crystal clear and stable footage. If you're into storytelling videos, the 360-degree ambisonic audio and audio super steady processing deliver directional sound that's perfect for your narrative. Low light conditions? No problem, thanks to its f1.6 aperture and large sensors. With the app, you can easily select modes and frame your shots to your liking. Plus, it's waterproof, weather-resistant, and ready for your outdoor escapades. Creating a 3D model of virtually any object now takes just a matter of seconds. With a 0.0003-inch accuracy, remarkable speed, and anti-shake lenses, this 3D scanner delivers exceptional texture detail, resulting in lifelike 3D models. Its intelligent scanning capabilities ensure seamless tracking and frame stitching, eliminating any frustration with choppy scans. Besides handheld scanning, this device pairs perfectly with the included multi-axis turntable. The scanner is compatible with all major platforms and design apps, whether it's a full-sized PC or just your smartphone. You can then scan the QR code to send the result to another device. Wow, what a cool keychain. Wait a minute, is she taking a picture with that thing? Yep, it's a digital cam that's no bigger than a keychain on your backpack. The wide-angle lens ensures you capture the perfect shot every time. No professional skills required. Since it's so tiny, it can store up to 50 pics in its memory. You can then use the power of Bluetooth to transfer your photos to your smartphone via the companion app and edit them to your heart's content. Want to snap a photo with all your friends? Take a shot remotely. That ring on the upper part can be used as a holder or as a rangefinder. And then just print your favorite photos with a compatible printer, creating tangible mementos to cherish. Okay, bird lovers, I found a less dramatic way to take macro pics of feathered friends than sitting behind bushes for hours. What you need is to install that smart bird feeder and add some food. That's it. The device notifies you when a bird stops by to have a snack. It also takes incredible photos that you've never been able to take. All the shots are collected within beautiful galleries in this special mobile app. It allows you to watch live streams from the feeder while the bird's still there. In addition, the app recognizes and provides information about more than 6,000 species. Is that a squirrel? Ring the alarm! Whether you're a pro fisher or just making your first steps, this wireless fishing cam must be extremely helpful. The ability to see how fish react to your lures really helps you dial in your presentations. It's designed for all kinds of fishing, bottom, ice, or kayak, and it suits various methods, either trolling or casting. The gadget mounts right to the line, providing a crystal clear 1080p image at 60 frames per second. You only have to make a couple of simple knots to secure the cam on the fishing line. The special weight system, along with the built-in fins, keep this thing perfectly stabilized. And don't worry, it won't affect the bait presentation. The cam gets as deep as 500 feet and handles up to 1,000 pounds. On top of that, there are some green LEDs for night fishing.